If you're watching this, you already have WinCNC software and you are now setting up your laser to the machine. Let me explain what you have with WinCNC and how to get your control software to communicate with your laser. WinCNC control software is a PC-based motion control that includes both a software and hardware package. WinCNC is an industrial-grade controller that is designed to perform specific and dedicated control functions. The hardware includes a PCI card and a daughter board, which are installed inside the associated PC. The PCI card is a 64-bit high-speed digital I/O device, and the daughter board is a small circuit board which adds a high-speed microprocessor for pulse buffering. Both items are required to run WinCNC. Additionally, this control system requires supplemental software modules to unlock specific functions such as laser and spindle control. This combination of software and hardware that comes with WinCNC will not produce control signal without the appropriate module installed. Let's get started by opening up WinCNC. This is my control software. It's version 2.4.11. If you go across on these tabs, click on Help and About, this window will show up. This window will show the software version, 2.4.11, your serial number, and that's the serial number that's marked on the cards in your computer. And then it'll also show the features that are enabled within this programming. Vector laser, laser engrave, laser carve, and smart raster are all checked off. This indicates that the laser module has been installed. This is the WinCNC Microsystems World webpage. This is where you'll need to go to buy the laser module. If you go to the WinCNC software block, press on Purchase, click on Added Features, you'll end up on this page. Here is the module, the Laser Raster Vector Support module. To purchase from WinCNC, you can either call them, their number's here, or you can email them, their email address is here. What you will need is a serial number from your control software. The serial number is required so that WinCNC can create a key to unlock these features. Once you purchase the laser module for WinCNC, WinCNC Tech Support will help you install additional features. WinCNC 3.0 uses a daughter board that features a 3-position jumper head in the middle of the board. The jumper is placed on pins 1 and 2 by default for normal operation. In order for WinCNC to be used for laser, rastering, or vectoring, this jumper will need to be moved onto pins 2 and 3 before installing back into the computer. Setting the jumper to the laser position will cause the 5th axis to output laser pulse rather than traditional step and directional signal. Once the boards are reinstalled, the setup for WinCNC is complete. We are ready to install the laser head. Let's take a look and see what arrived. Here I've identified some of the things that come with the kit. I've also put together some things that will be helpful for this installation. Unfortunately, a mount is not included in this kit, and there is not currently a mount designed for this machine. There are mounts for other machines available online. You can purchase one of those and adapt it to your machine or create your own. Locate the control box. You want to ensure that all power is disconnected from your machine. Then we're going to disconnect all the lines running to the motors and switches. Now let's remove the parallel cable from the side of the control box. Let's take a look at the DB37 with the cable removed. Here on the back side we can see that pin 21 and pin 17 are installed. On your machine, most likely the pins are going to be missing. Let's open up the cover of the box and take a look at this connector from the inside. The pre-wired pins that we're going to install will look something like this. From inside the box, locate the connector. Each pin location on the connector is marked and identified. Locate pin position 17 or 21. If they are empty, install this pin. From the outside, pull the pin snugly into place. A better option is to use a correct pin setting tool. Next, we're going to locate this cable. It's going to have this large adapter already installed. If it's not installed, you'll find this in your kit. At the free end, you'll have these wires that are exposed. These are going to go into the control box, and I'm going to show you how to do that next. Run the free end of this wire through the side of the control box. Using the lever locks, connect the brown wire to position number 17, the pin just installed, and a green wire to position number 21. Now on the other end of the wire, connect the 8-pin connector. The connector should be wired like this. Once complete, you can return the control box back to its original position. You can also reinstall all the wiring that was removed previously and the 37-pin parallel connector. Next, let's find the CNC adapter and get that installed. Every laser upgrade kit should come with a CNC adapter. You can choose not to use the CNC adapter or the safety features that are incorporated into this unit. The laser head gives you the option of direct integration. The wiring from the control box that has the 8-position connector will attach to this adapter. The adapter will arm and disarm the laser head. Install in a location that has easy access. Connect the control box wire to the right side of the adapter. Find and connect the power supply. Ensure the jumper block is in place. The next cable we're going to install will have a 5-pin connector on each end. This cable will connect the laser head to the CNC adapter. Start from the laser head. Thread this wire through the cable management system until you reach the CNC adapter. Once the cable has been threaded through, attach to the left side of the unit. Now you can install the laser mount that you have created for your machine. Once that is secure, you can mount the laser head and attach the cable. If your laser has air assist, you'll need to locate the 4mm air supply line. An air manifold, push-on connectors, pressure regulator, and water separator will help with this setup. Attach the air line to each laser using the push-on connector. This completes the installation of this laser. At this time, we should make sure that all connections are safe and secure. We are going to power the CNC adapter, which is going to arm the laser head. Anytime the laser head is armed, you should be wearing protective eyewear. The reflective light from the blue laser can cause permanent eye damage. We should power up the CNC adapter, and we should see if we're making good communication with the laser head. It looks like everything is working as it should. The next step is to open WinCNC and run a laser file. This concludes the installation of our laser to a ShopSabre CNC router using WinCNC control software.